We've seen that there were species that became extinct because of natural disasters. Take dinosaurs, for example. But many of them are the ones that got removed from the face of the earth. Tasmanian tiger. Considered as one of the prime cloning subjects for animals that need to come back to life, and the efforts for doing so have already been started. Tasmanian tigers were known to have stripes, and they, in one time, used to exist almost everywhere in Australia. But as these animals had to hunt for their living, they got in the crossfire of humans. Due to multiple diseases, it died shortly after its birth. Number 1. Northern white rhino. Last but not least, we're going to talk about the species that lasted thousands of years, but actually lost to the human race recently this year. The last living known